System MHS. The MHS consists of a direct care network of military treatment facilities and a purchased care network known as TRICARE. Additionally, veterans may also be eligible for benefits through the Veteran Health Administration's Indian Health Services. The Indian Health Services IHS provides medical assistance to eligible Americans Indians at IHS facilities and help pay the cost of some services provided by non-IHS healthcare providers, which decreased in recent years because of lower reimbursement rate. The Affordable Care Act dramatically expanded Medicaid. The program now cover everyone with income under 133% of the federal poverty level who does not qualify for Medicare. Provided this expansion of coverage has been accepted by the state where the person resides. Meanwhile, Medicaid benefit must be the same as the essential benefit in the newly created state exchanges. The federal government will fully fund the expansion of Medicaid, initially with some of the financial responsibility, that is 10% of medical cost. Medicare Prescription Drug Improvement and Modernization Act of 2003 MMA and went into effect on Jan 1, 2006. Medicaid was instituted for the very poor in 1965 since enrollees must pass a main test. Medicaid is a social welfare or social protection program rather than a social insurance program. Despite its establishment, the percentage of US residents who lack any form of health insurance has increased since 1994. It has been reported that the number of physicians accepting Medicaid has gradually developing back to the state by 2020. Children's Health Insurance Program CHIP. The Children's Health Insurance Program is a joint state federal program to provide health insurance to children in the families who earn too much money to qualify for Medicaid yet cannot afford to buy private insurance. The statutory authority for CHIP is the undertitle XX-121 of the Social Security Act. CHIP programs are run by the individual state according to requirement set by the Federal Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services and may be constructed as independent programs separated from Medicaid. Separated child health programs as expansion of their medical expansion form CHIP Medicaid expansion program or combine these approach. CHIP combination program state receive enhanced federal fund for their CHIP program at a rate of above the regular Medicaid match. Military health benefit. Health benefits are provided to active duty services members, retired services members and their dependents by the Department of Defense Militaries Health. Blue Cross Blue Shield Associations. The Blue Cross Blue Shield Associations BCBSA is a federation of 38 separate health insurance organizations and companies in the US combined that they directly or indirectly provide health insurance to cover 100% millions Americans. BCBSA insurance companies are franchisees independent of the associations. Any traditionally each of associations offering insurance plan within defined regions under one or both of the association's brand. Blue Cross Blue Shield Insurance offers some form of health insurance coverages in every US and also act as administration between the relationship between patient and the medical providers, which was not changed. The patient received medical care and was responsible for paying the providers if the services was covered by the policy. The services insurance company was responsible for reimbursing or indemnifying the patient based on provisions contracts. Health insurance plans that are based on a network of contracted providers or that based payments on a percent of providing charges are still described as indemnity or fee for services